You know, there is a better approach to computer skills for those over 50. I'm Tracy Patterson, tech evangelist with over 30 years of experience in IT. For the past decade, I've been designing and teaching engaging computer training programs for adults, some for government and nonprofit organizations. I'm passionate about making technology accessible across the digital divide. In this video, I want to talk about gaining confidence with computer skills, especially for us more mature users. In the last video in this series, I talked about how people who didn't grow up using computers, learning these skills as adults can feel daunting and even a little embarrassing, but it's not you. The digital natives have just grown up thinking about computers differently. We learn differently than them. Our computer experiences started later and are informed by different thought processes and a different worldview. We test things differently. And it's not right or wrong. Is this a pound sign or a hashtag? Same symbol, used in different ways, depends on your background, on what you call it. But the problem occurs with training or tutorials or classes that move fast and skip steps. The problem is not just about learning technical tasks, but about bridging a gap where learners feel left out. And this can be addressed with the bridge method of learning. This is a unique teaching framework designed to help digital non-natives by giving a clear, supportive pathway to mastering essential computer skills. This approach isn't just about teaching tasks. It's about transforming how learners relate to technology. Whether you're running a business, pursuing a passion project, or simply want to stay connected, the Bridge Method can guide you. Our program is designed for active learners who are ready to conquer their tech fears and thrive in today's digital age. The Bridge Method is made up of 4 pillars. The base, making sure there's a strong base of computer knowledge. Computer training should not assume prior knowledge and should cover core foundational concepts. Learners aren't just shown what to do, they're taught why things work the way they do, fostering independence and problem-solving skills. One super useful function that you want in your toolbox is the undo command. It can be used in practically every application, and it is your best friend. If you make a mistake, this is a quick way to fix it, or if you change your mind, this is a quick way to do it. Let's say you changed the font to red, but now you don't want that. Just go use the undo command. Let's say you've accidentally deleted a lot of your work and you don't know how that happened. Click undo. It works in many programs, with graphics, with words, with numbers. It even works in your web browser in certain spots where you might be filling in information. Stay tuned for a quick trick on how you can use undo in your web browser. The second pillar, relevant. Make it make sense. The Bridge Method prioritizes real-world knowledge, not random exercises, things that are meaningful to the learners in order to get things done, whether you're running a business, pursuing a passion project, or simply navigating your life, like managing finances. Training should be tailored to immediate goals, helping learners solve practical problems and see instant value in their progress. And good training helps learners understand new concepts by relating them to familiar ideas, making abstract ideas more relatable and easier to grasp. Think of undo as the rewind button. The very last thing that you've done will be reversed or rewound, as if you never did it. But the cool thing about undo is you can undo multiple steps. Undo one action, then the action before that, then the action before that. The third pillar is incremental. Step-by-step clarity, breaking down tasks. Learning technology can already feel overwhelming, but the Bridge Method reduces anxiety by breaking down each task into manageable, logical steps. Learners should be guided through every action, from understanding software interfaces to mastering the mouse and keyboard. This hands-on approach ensures clarity and ease. And by pacing instruction to the learner's comfort level, this pillar creates a judgment-free space where questions and mistakes are a part of the process. To use undo, for most programs, it's on the menu on the edit command on the menu. You click edit and then click undo. But not all applications will have an undo command there, even though it does have the undo capability. So here's another way to do it. Hold down the control key on your keyboard, tap the Z, and let go. That's all there is to it. It will undo the last command on most applications. And the last pillar is grow empowered. With the pillars of a strong base, relevant training, and step by step instructions, the Bridge method doesn't just teach skills, but it builds a foundation for continued growth. Lessons build on the last, creating a sense of progress and accomplishment. This methodology even adapts to all kinds of learning styles so the experience resonates with the learner. Ultimately, learners gain the confidence and independence to explore new programs, figure out problems on their own, master new tasks, and enjoy the process. This should be fun. So, are you ready to cross the digital divide? Remember, it's not about age, it's about your method.